डियर व्यूअर, इस वीडियो में आपको वेलकम करते हैं। ये वीडियो लिटरेसी मोबिलाइज़र के पास्ट पेपर्स के सिलसिले में तीसरी वीडियो है ये, जो कि आपको जो आपका टेस्ट होगा उसमें बहुत फ़ायदेमंद होंगे ये सवालात। पहला क्वेश्चन है इस वीडियो का, हु कॉइंड द टर्म जीन? इट्स आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए विलियम जोनास। Next question, where do Jhelum Chenab River is meet? Its answer is Trimu. Next question, when did Pakistan lift Santo? 1979. Next question, which of the following is responsible for turning Taj Mahal yellow? Sulfur oxide. Next question, the book Indian Musalman, published in 1871, was written by William Wilson Hunter. Next question, which city is called the land of seven hills? Its answer is Rome. An extremely small piece of silicon on which integrated circuits are fabricated are called chip. The headquarters of BRICS is located in Shanghai. The largest river of Asia is Yangtze. Which metal is not abundant on the Earth's surface? Its answer is aluminium. Next question. The world's highest waterfall in the Angel Falls is situated in Venezuela. Next question. The Earth moves from west to east. Middle East group of countries includes West Asian countries. Kangaroo is national emblem of Australia. Qantas Airlines belong to Australia. And next question. Next question. Who among the following is the inventor of system of writing and printing for the blind? Its answer is Louis Braille. Next question. Martin Luther King was a black US civil rights leader. Next question. Where were the first modern Olympics games held? Athens. Next question. The term butterfly in sports is associated with swimming. Next question. Football, soccer is said to have originated in China. Next question. Which sport returned to Olympics in 1988 after 64 years? Tennis. Which country awards the Nobel Prize? Sweden. Who denied the law of gravitation? Newton. Zero was invented by Indians. Velocity of sound is maximum in steel. The best conductor of electricity is silver. The food is normally e- uh, uh, digested in the small intestine. Next question. Which vitamin is normally stored in liver? Vitamin A. How many bones are there? Newly born infant 300. Chagi, a place where Pakistan conducted its nuclear explosion in, is situated in the mountains range of Rasco. Next question. The Son and Haru are two rivers of Potohar Plateau. Next question. Sui is a place known for the largest reserves of natural gas is in Sibidwian. A Rask Dam has been built on the river Kabul. The Shandur Pass at the height of 12,205 feet connects Chitral and Gilgit. Pakistan's highest mountain peak, K2, is located in the Karakoram. Next question. Shiv Shivlik and Pir Panjal hills are part of Himalayas range. Which mountain range divides Punjab from Balochistan in southern extremity? Koi Suleiman. Next question. The area lying between River Byas and River Ravi is called Bari Doab. Next question. Which part of Punjab is famous for Shisham timber forests? Changamanga. The largest river of Balochistan is Hingol. Ziyarat in Balochistan is a popular hill resort surrounded by the oldest and tallest Jupiter forests. Pakistan joined non-aligned movement in 1979 at Havana. Next question. Which princely state joined Pakistan soonest after Bahawalpur independence? Its answer is Bahawalpur. Next question is income of a company doubles after every 1 year if the initial income was rs 4 lakhs. What would be the income after 5 year? Its answer is 1.28 crores. ये पूरा प्रोसीजर आप देख लें. Next question. The total monthly salary of a four-man and two women in is Rs 46,000. If a woman earns Rs 500 more than a man, what is the monthly salary of a woman? ये इसका सारा solution and its answer is 8,000. Next question. What fraction is of an hour is a second? Next question. Identify the site of Ghazi Brotha Dam. Its answer is option Punjab. Next question. Mast Wakli is prominent poet of Balochi. Next question. The oldest regional language of Pakistan is Sindhi. The last question of this video. Which city is the headquarter of Islamic Development Bank? Its answer is Jeddah. सो इस वीडियो में इतना ही. मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.